Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm cash planning for the week. I have $628 that I'm going to be putting into my wallet, into sinking funds and savings challenges. So I'm just going to figure out the denominations, that way I can go to the bank and get all the correct amounts. So I am going to first start off, well, my wallet. I usually do the same amount. I'm thinking next week I might up it a little bit. Because usually I put spending, I do 30, groceries I do 80, eating out I do 30, but coffee I usually do 20, and I really like some of the fall drinks at Starbucks, so, and also the treats. So I think I'm gonna up this next week because I get a little, I think I'll have a little bit more next week or the following week to stuff this. Buffer, I always do 10 as well. But for now, I'm just going to stick with my normal 170 that I put into my wallet for the week. So I already have all that figured out since it's always the same denominations that I do those. And I'm just going to go into my binders and figure out what I'm going to put into each one. Actually, I grabbed the wrong one. I'm going to first start off with my savings one because I do actually kind of predetermine some of these a little bit. So for instance, this roll the dice one, I already rolled my last cash stuffing and I'm going to be putting 10. So I'm just going to write that in here. Roll the dice, and that one's going to be $10. Oh, and I actually need to start calculating this too because I always forget to do that. All right, and then the next one, I'm going to come back to this one after I've already gone through all my other envelopes, but this one is another one that I kind of figure out beforehand. So this is the 52-week challenge, and this one is going to get the next one, which is 15. Okay, so 15 on that one. And I'm going to come back to this one, but I'm going to focus on my other binders first before I come back to this one. So for this binder, I'm going to, this one's the one that I tend to pull a little bit more from throughout the week. Like I'm always going through it and pulling these envelopes and putting them in my wallet if I decide just to go and spend from them. So yeah, they get spent a lot throughout the week. So I am going to fill these up a little bit more. For instance, for like Disney, I am going to Disney on Tuesday. So I only have $30 in here, which just paying for parking alone is 15. So I want to get, I think I'm going to double this. I'm going to do another 30 in here, just so that way it gets me enough for parking and then to get some food at the park. So that should be good. Planner stuff, I think I'm going to do 10. I have 22 in here. The Happy Planner just came out with a new release, and I don't have my 2024 planner yet, so I need to look for that, and that'll give me enough to buy a planner, so that's good. Content, I think I'm just going to do 10 in here as well. Holiday decor, let's do another 10. So I'm finally starting to see things that I want to get when it comes to like decor, so got to get more in there. Beauty, this one I'm going to do 15 in beauty. There's actually a couple things I need to buy from there. Household, I only have $8 in here, and I actually need to buy a couple things like soap and some cleaning stuff. Oh, and I think like some laundry stuff too. So let me, I think I want to do, I'll do 15 in here. I think that should be good for a couple things. Family, I'm going to do 15 as well. Home decor, I don't have anything in home decor right now because I finally bought my mirror. So I took money out of here to do that. And also Target, I kind of combined both the envelopes because I bought the mirror at Target and I didn't have enough in my home decor. So I just used it from the Target envelope too. So I'm going to do 20 in that Target one. Furniture is going to get 10. Costco, I'm going to use the money left over in my groceries envelope to stuff that one, so I don't have to worry about that. Extra debt, I'm going to do 35 this week. And then clothing, I'm going to do another 20 in there. Okay, cool. So that's it for this one. I'm going to go into, this is like my long-term kind of binder right here. All right, so I have electronics, which I think I'm just gonna do 10 in that one. Auto repair is gonna get 5. I feel like I have a good amount in here already. I have 150, so 5 each week will be more than plenty from there. Gifts, I don't really have any birthdays coming up this month, and I already have 80, so I'm just gonna do 5. Christmas, I do want to put, I have 370, I'm going to put 20 in there. Registration, I'm just going to do 5 in there. Emergency, let's go to, I'm going to do 20. Treat yourself, I'm going to do the same that I did in extra debt, so that's 35. And fun, I'm gonna do 20. Okay, and then I'm gonna go into my savings binder because I have one for Go Wild. So this one, I think I wanna do 30. All right, so now I'm left with 78, and I could go and like add more into some of the other envelopes, but I think instead I want to focus on this challenge, the 100 envelope challenge, and knock out 2 of those. So let's see which one I can knock out. All right, so for sure I'm gonna do the 5. I'm just trying to get like these done. Obviously some of these, I think and like next week or the week after, I'm getting a little bit more coming in, so I'll be able to knock out one of these larger ones. But for now, I think I'm going to focus more in the middle area. So maybe 45 and 5, because that'll be a total of 50. Okay, so let me write that in. 100 envelope. I'm going to do 45 and then 5. So that's $50 in there. And then I'm left with $28, which I think I'm just going to get some 5s and get some 1s to focus on these challenges right here. So let's see, savings. I'm gonna do 28. That'll get rid of that and make that 0. All right, so I think that should be everything. And now what I'm gonna do is just figure out the denominations for everything that is going into my wallets, or into my envelopes, yeah, into my envelopes. All right, so for Disney, that's gonna be a 20 and a 10. And then I got a few 10s right here. So 10, 10, 10, and then a few 15s. So beauty is 15, household is 15, family is 15, and home decor is 15. Target is 20. Furniture is 10. Extra debt is 35. And then clothing is 20. Electronics is 10. Auto repair is 5. Gifts is 5. Christmas is 20. Registration 5. Emergency 20. 20, 35. 4, treat yourself. And then a 20. 20 and a 10. 10. 10 and a 5. Okay, and then the 100 envelope, that one's gonna be, I'm gonna do the 45 first. So that's 2 40s, or sorry, 2 20s, and then a 5. And then for the 5, another 5. So that's 50. 20, 40, 45, 50. And then the savings, I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna do 15 and 5s. So that's 1, 2, 3. And, oh, I already messed up. Let me get my white out, because I put it in the 10s, and that would have been not good. All right, so 3 5s, 1 2 3, and then the rest in 1, so I'm gonna do 13 ones. Cool. All right, so now I'm just going to count all the quantities. So for 50 I have 1, 20, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 10, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And then 1s is 13 plus 5 is 18. All right, so this is the part where I get to figure out if I calculated everything correctly, which is my favorite. All right, so 50, that one's easy. We got 50. All right, and then 20 times 14, I think that's 280. And then we have 10, 20 tens, so that's 200. 16 5s, that should be 80, right? I probably have to calculate this. Let me see if this checks out. Okay, 280, 200, 80, and 18, 628. Okay, perfect. All right, so I have all my denominations. So when I go to the bank, I'm gonna ask for 150, 14 20s, 20 10s, 16 5s, and 18 1s. All right, so that is 628 that I'm going to be getting from the bank. Thank you so much for watching this video, watching me kind of budget and cash plan for the week. I will have my cash stuffing video up on Sunday, so definitely check that out. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel too, so you can get notified when I put up another video. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, remember to hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next one.